Hello, my dear friends, how are you? Here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil. We have another beautiful day. Today is Monday morning, so good morning for all of you in different parts of the world. And we have a brand new week waiting for us. And today we're going to talk about our relationship with love, or our relationship with the concept with love. Well, my dear friends, just pay attention in this very quick reflection we're gonna do that comes from the wonderful book written by Mike George, an author that I respect a lot, and his wonderful book called Being Beyond Belief. Pay attention to that. It's simple, really. You can only know love when you are being and doing love from inside out, but only when nothing is sought, expected, or wanted of the other. That's why knowing love is not as easy as a trip to the grocery store. So, yes, you can receive love from others in many ways, but the moment you believe that is necessary to acquire and receive love in order to be happy in yourself is the moment you forget that it is what you already are. So, it's also the moment you become dependent. You can only know love in its truest form when your consciousness is in its highest vibration. Then that energy, that vibration, may come from you as care, as compassion, as virtuousness. Virtue is love in action. It's you in your highest human consciousness. You are not thinking, I'm so virtuous, oh, aha, so this is love. But you are perceived by others as loving, as a source of love in that moment, but only when there is no clinginess, so subtle desire for recognition, no attachment, no needness. All of that has been cleaned out of your consciousness. Well, the paradox of love is when you are it, you know it, but you don't think you are it. If you did, you would not be love. If you would be the idea of love, probably trying to be the ideal. And love is not an ideal. Love is a way of living. Well, my dear friends, it's a wonderful food for our daily reflection. It's a wonderful nurturing to our soul. So pay attention to that in this wonderful day. We all want to be loved. Okay, we all want to have a great life that we can be proud of. We all want to become happier as time goes by, and in order to do that, it's very important we become as only one with love. So this great feeling when it start coming from our soul just flows, so it's great feeling just flows towards people, animals, plants, towards our daily habits, because we can see everything we have around and we start feeling grateful for that, because we are emanating a wonderful love, a higher vibration of love. So our drop of inspiration of today will invite you to love more, or be more conscious about the great energy of love you have inside you, you have within you, because sometimes we are so attached to worries about the future, or so attached about the suffering that we remember in our past, that we forget to be really connected with the wonderful power of love that we have in the present moment. Okay, so I hope this makes sense for you and help you have a great day and be prepared to create a great week. Okay, my dear friends, so please let me know about your comments. Email me, please email me with your suggestion, with your comments, with your suggestions about topics that we can cover here in our drop of inspiration. Definitely will be a wonderful pleasure get some email from you. Okay, have a wonderful day and a wonderful life, and see you soon, my dear friends, full of love, definitely full of love. See you very, very soon.